sa final roster?
Siyempre, nung pinakaunang nabanggit sa akin ni Coach Charles, hindi ko in-expect na matatawagan ulit ako para sa training pool sa Gilas. Then, ayun, nung nabanggit niya na parang hindi ko siya masyado inisip, nag-focus pa rin ako dito sa Binid kasi ito naman yung school na nilalaroan ko ngayon. So, nung pinapunta na ako ni Coach Charles doon, nung sinabi niya ng first training yun, pagpunta ko doon, pinakita ko lang kung ano yung ayaw ko.
So, follow-up question. May naging effect ba yung pagka-include mo sa lineup in terms of confidence boost as you approach this do-or-die game?
Siyempre may dagdag siyang kumpiyansa sa akin kasi natawagan ako para mag-represent ng country. So malaking bagay siya sa akin and pangarap ko yun nung bata pa lang ako. So para sa akin talagang moral booster siya.
Coach, paano tinawagan ni Coach Norman? Paano tinawagan ni Coach Norman?
Kay Coach Charles.
Coach, ano pong usapan niyo ni Coach Norman regarding Allen, especially now na may chance pa mag-finals?
Well, I guess I could say it now, but he called me a few weeks back kasi they had some issues with a lot of the guys they were getting, di ba? Dahil nga sa mga rules ng Thai organizing committee. But then when we spoke again, nung medyo sure na, I just asked him, hey coach, if we make it to the finals, it might be affected. He said it's okay, he can catch up sa SEA Games naman. And sabi niya, even if there's practice, he'll ask Allen to come, but walang contact, no nothing, just to be there, just to learn what they're doing. And sabi ko, of course, anybody, if there's a chance to play for the country, how can you say no to that? I know we represent our school and everything, but that's one of the greatest honors you can have, diba? So for me na, they even considered Allen. Sobrang nakakatuwa yun, diba? I'm proud of Allen na pinaghirapan niya yun, diba? I don't think anybody expected this coming from him out of nowhere until naging MVP siya. And dahan-dahan, it says a lot about him, the hard work, diba? So right away, we said yes, and thankfully naman nag-cooperate. Pero yun na nga, sana mangyari yung sinabi ko na nasa finals kami. Kasi kung natalo kami sana, yun, maaga talaga siya pupunta doon sa SEA Games.
So Coach Rap, maaring nandun na yung Gilas pero si Allen.
There's a chance. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, their first game is on the 14th and 15th. They have 2, then they have 2 days off. So I said, look, if we make it to the finals and we win 2 or we get swept, whatever it is, then we can go by the 14th. If not, game 3 would be on December 16 as of now. So makakahabol rin siya there on the way. And I think that's the latter part of the tournament na mas, I guess they need Allen. But it's not an ideal situation for us and even for the national team. But at this point, I think, and I agree naman with the choice of the committee na Allen is probably one of the best bigs available. Actually, when they submitted I think they submitted a big pool of 40 or 50 players a few months ago. His name was already there naman. So there was a small chance, but syempre we weren't counting on it kasi di nga naman alam na ganun mangyayari, diba? And nagkataon lang na may opportunity na to. And sana mangyayari. Sana lahat win all. Win kami. Win SEA Games. Yun ang maganda.